Today's topic is, quite a bit interesting. It's more for you parents out there and जो भी घर के बड़े हैं, भाई बहन सब. This for you guys. I mean, जो जिम में आते हैं youngers को लेके and they ask के can he work out? I mean, ये अभी सिर्फ 16 है, ये अभी सिर्फ 17 है. I mean, yeah, he can work out. It's absolutely weight trainings and by doing gymnast weights or something, your height gets stunned, but this is not a fact. I mean, this is a myth. You just have to step out of home. And let's say not even gym, weight training से height रुकता है जिसको ये लगता है. Those guys are not thinking right. It's absolutely fine because weight training is something which builds up muscles, which improves your circulation, blood circulation, which improves your BMR, which there are so many benefits of it. It रुकता है या कुछ. I mean, if you'll have a look at my brother, he's 93 born, and I mean he has been working out from past 4-5 years now. He's into hardcore weights, but his height is beautiful, 5'12", and still he's growing. It's all about nutrition, what you take care of. I mean, आप खाते कैसे हो, rather than वो weight training ना करे या gym ना जाए या तो फिर वो कोई activity ना करे, ये सोचना छोड़ के वो cold drink ना पिए, Pepsi, Coke, that Diet Coke. My kid have only Diet Coke. That does not work. I mean, Diet Coke kills his life. Let him have juice. Let him have fruit. I mean, compared to Diet Coke, juice is fine. But yeah, I mean, if you compare juice and fruit is fine. So, कुछ भी healthy lifestyle, I mean, the best way to start is grassroots level. जो grassroots level है, keep it in mind. And please get our kids out of this. They're getting stuck into fat life, sedentary lifestyle. Stop this. So let them work out. Let it be anything. कम लंबा है क्या? I mean, look at him. I mean, when he started it up, his age was, I don't know. I mean, he was 14 or 15, very young chap, and he's 93 born. I mean, कौन से एंगल से हाइट कम है सेठ जी? हाइट कहीं से भी कम लग रही है. I mean, we guys are standing next to each other. Every day, he has been doing any activities. I mean, let it say, कभी swimming हो गया, कभी weight training हो गया, stretching sessions होते हैं. I mean, he is having a proper trainer with him. So that is how it works. I mean, it completely depends. Weight training does not mean कि height रुक जाएगा. See, I mean, he is standing here. It's absolutely fine. Let your kids go out there and work out, because weight training या gym जाने से, as you guys, you go into gyms and you're like, can my kid work out? I mean, he's 16, he's 19. Absolutely yes, he can work out. The only thing you guys have to take care of is proper nutrition and proper trainer and any of the good gyms around. I mean, there's so many gyms around. कोई भी gym में. Even CrossFit training is absolutely fine if he goes and into CrossFit training. Any gymnast workouts, जो भी चीज़ों में weight involved है, don't get worried about it. I mean, I've never seen any cases जहाँ पे weight training करने से height रुक गया. But yeah, let's say अगर आप लोग को लगता भी ये रुक जाता है, there can be chances. तो वो सिर्फ इसलिए होंगे because right nutrition नहीं था, proper workout trainer नहीं था, proper workout partner नहीं था. बस रोज चले गए जिम में, वजन उठा लिया एंड खाने पीने का कोई ठिकाना नहीं है. तो या आई मीन, इफ़ यू गाइज डोंट ईट प्रॉपरली तो ऐसे भी हाइट बढ़ने के वांदे हो जाते हैं. सो द ओनली थिंग यू गाइज हैव टू टेक केयर इज प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन, अ गुड वर्कआउट पार्टनर और अ गुड ट्रेनर and knowledge. Knowledge is the most powerful tool, so don't ever let it go. I mean, keep reading about things. I suggest you guys is let your kids go and work out. Let it be weight training, let it be swimming, let it be gymnast, let it be anything. It's absolutely fine. Just let them have an activity in a day, because it's any day better than becoming a fat chap. Proper nutrition, proper workout. It's in bed. You have to take care of all the things. You have to keep things in a balanced manner, and that's how your kid can grow, stronger, taller and smarter. So I hope you guys do understand.